Hello, everyone, and welcome to Beauty Intelligence and today's discussion on a common skincare concern that many of us have encountered at some point: excessive face oil. Having a glowing complexion is wonderful, but when excess oil takes over, it can lead to various skin issues. In the next 5 minutes, we'll delve into the causes behind excessive face oil and explore some effective treatments to help you achieve a balanced and healthy complexion. Some common causes are: 1. Sebum production. Our skin naturally produces sebum, an oily substance that moisturizes and protects our skin. However, when the sebaceous glands become overactive, it can result in excessive oil production, leading to that unwanted shine. 2. Hormonal changes. Hormones play a significant role in regulating sebum production. During puberty, pregnancy, and even certain phases of the menstrual cycle, hormonal fluctuations can trigger excess oil production. 3. Genetics. Some people are genetically predisposed to having oilier skin. If your parents have oily skin, there's a chance you might as well. 4. Incorrect skincare routine. Paradoxically, using harsh cleansers or over-drying products can actually stimulate the skin to produce more oil in an attempt to compensate for the dryness. 5. Diet. Diets high in refined sugars and unhealthy fats can contribute to excessive oil production. These foods can influence hormonal balance and inflammation in the body. 6. Environmental factors. Humid climates and exposure to pollutants can lead to increased oiliness as the skin tries to protect itself. Some treatments. 1. Gentle cleansing. Opt for a gentle, non-stripping cleanser to remove excess oil without overdrying the skin. Cleansing twice a day can help maintain a balanced oil level. 2. Exfoliation. Regular exfoliation, around 2-3 times a week, helps remove dead skin cells that can contribute to clogged pores and excess oil. Look for chemical exfoliants like salicylic acid or glycolic acid. 3. Hydration. It might seem counterintuitive, but hydrating your skin is crucial. When your skin is dehydrated, it can actually produce more oil to compensate. Use a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer to maintain hydration without adding extra oil. 4. Oil control products. Invest in oil-absorbing products like mattifying primers or oil control serums. These can help reduce shine throughout the day. 5. Balanced diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can positively influence hormonal balance and reduce excess oil production. 6. Topical treatments. Over-the-counter products containing ingredients like niacinamide, retinol, and tea tree oil can help regulate oil production and minimize breakouts. 7. Professional help. If excessive oiliness persists, consider consulting a dermatologist. They can recommend prescription-strength treatments such as topical retinoids or discuss other medical options. 8. Sun protection. Always use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Sunburn can lead to increased oil production as the skin tries to repair itself. Remember, achieving balanced skin takes time and consistent effort. It's important to approach skincare with patience and an understanding that what works for one person might not work for another. Tailor your routine to your specific skin type and concerns. By addressing the root causes of excessive face oil and using the right treatments, you can enjoy a healthier, more radiant complexion. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to a future of confident and comfortable skin.